Alright guys, here is the full interior lighting kit. And go ahead. This is the box it came in, shipped. Let's see how this goes. Okay. The box. Put everything in here. First off was the invoice. Fancy. Okay. Some simple instructions. Not really installation instructions, but more installation tips. And nice little advert. Okay. Each one's labeled. So we have a license plate, dome light, the trunk, the footwells, and the sun visor and the glove box. So yeah, in total, got 5 packages. We'll go ahead and take the trunk out first, just to give an idea. What one of these actually looks like. There we go. Pretty awesome. Alright, thanks guys. We'll have more install stuff once we actually get to put them in the car.